Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Menteri Paidbah yang katanat karap karyang kakong Ampareen lingdo hanegaski kala Pyllait Paidbah yang ka Watershed Yatra ka badai hapo ka Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinche Yojana ni ka palatip kum ka PMKSY scheme. Ka thong jong gani ka yatra kalong shibenta ban penne pensa ikitalong umbam umdi habakran hanegaski kakong Ampareen lingdo kala penpau ka jingdon kam ban penne pensa ka Mariang ngidon kam kum kini ki program ban pensungut ho Paidbah halur ka jingdon kam ban penne pensa yakitulong umbam umdi kumbalong benta ki Paidbah ka jela ki kerduk bhai ka umbam umdi ha ubnai rempang bat uleber kalau ongru bakatanat karap karyang daga jinga trilang bat kiwe kitanat kanya khun ban penne pensa yakitulong knang bagi long dien jongi kinum ya kendo jinge kalau ongru bakani ka kali kan let keleng saudong ka jela ban pensungut ho yakijron kam jong ka umbam umdi bat kumno ban penne pensa yaka kalau ongruk baka sorkar MDA ke shibun kilat ban ajing rap iki nong rap bat lingba ki SHG ki Paidbah nong Shnong kinyo jing mentoi kumba kalong benta ka jela kala kiyo bha ka jingdon ki SHG bar ka sorkar ru ka ajing rap shaki
On his behalf,
structure to support pisciculture, creating livelihoods for local families, planted 3,300.
the popular PMKSY scheme. Water and soil are the lifelines of agriculture, and their preservation is our responsibility. Meghalaya is known for its famous rainfall, but come February, March, we are all reeling under acute water shortage. We must therefore embark upon these kinds of convergent programs with the involvement of the community, the involvement of church leaders, the involvement of the civil society. We have realized that if there is no conservation of the water, we will continue to suffer as a state, and with 70+% of the population engaged in farming activities, there is an urgent need for line departments to converge together to manage the water and conserve it for use of the community. We know now that because agriculture is a lifeline, we have to take necessary measures, and several departments are engaged in several undertakings to ensure that we sustain this water throughout the annual usage and use of water. The Watershed Yatra is a symbol of our commitment to reach every district in the state. We need to educate the communities around us so that they will protect, in the interests of everyone, the water that we receive. We also have to make sure that we engage in infrastructure building. We engage with the community, we give them tools, we teach them various procedures so that all of this conservation will enable us to maintain the green coverage across the state, which is so important, especially in the debates of climate change. In Meghalaya, SWCD is implementing the PMKSY WDC 2.0 program, and we are participating and engaging with not less than 1,200 SHGs across the state. This investment in community participation has yielded positive results. Today, we are able to reclaim barren land and reuse it, improving soil quality, improving nutritional value of our soil, so that farmers may gainfully build on a farming practice which will sustain their livelihoods. As Sir Zoram has already said, we have constructed 1,390 water harvesting structures of 3,000 hectares, and this will be a lifeline for so many communities that are facing this acute water scarcity during the lean period. Today, climate change, deforestation, land degradation, urbanization, and pollution pose the greatest threat for our water securities. These factors are not just causing scarcity, but also affecting water quality, leading to health risks and agricultural losses. The situation is further worsened by the fact that 17% of Meghalaya's soil is degraded as per the Indian Wasteland Atlas. Soil degradation reduces water retention capacity, which directly impacts agriculture and groundwater recharge. Today we are faced with plant diseases which have far-reaching consequences. Just very recently we discussed the bud-rot disease in the floor of the Assembly, trying to negotiate with our MLAs from 60 constituencies to engage with them so that they may promote this kind of a watershed activity. Very, very important for the state of Meghalaya to conserve its waters. And I must place on record my sincerest regards for the efforts being put in by the Water and Soil Conservation Department, the Agriculture Department, the Forest Department, and other line departments, which all contribute to the alertness of our community to address this conservation and watershed goal. Today, this vehicle will travel to all parts of the state to popularize, discuss, and highlight the importance of conservation of water. This will not just create an awareness, but it brings together the local communities and empowers them with knowledge and tools that they need to involve themselves in this great movement. It has to be a community-driven movement. And on the other side, as you can see, the producers of all of our SHGs today stands testimony that investment in the community is valuable and that it will yield the correct approach and results that we need urgently in the state of Meghalaya. This yatra is a call to action. action not just by government machineries or its line departments and various other partners that come together on this common platform, but it is for each of us. It is not only about understanding the importance of water conservation, but it is taking action and pledging together that we will take action and we will not ignore all of the activities that are slowly engulfing the communities and their environments, thus ensuring that we hand over a today to tomorrow's community to ensure that they too become partners and recipients of this very same water conservation. I urge all farmers, all local leaders, community members, civil society, whether here or in their local villages, please come forward and pledge together with the government of Meghalaya that we will walk the talk and cover the extra mile to ensure that water becomes not just the pride of today, but an asset for future generations. I thank